Welcome to Creative Money Solutions. This is Derek sharing another creative money opportunity. Starting a freelance writing business can be a rewarding way to turn your writing skills into a profitable venture. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, you can follow these steps to create your freelance writing business. 1. Identify your niche. Find your specialty. Do you excel in technical writing, creative writing, copywriting, blogging, etc.? Identify what you enjoy and where your skills lie. Know your industry. Familiarize yourself with the industries you want to write for, whether it's tech, healthcare, fashion, or something else. 2. Create a portfolio. Showcase your work. Include samples of your writing that highlight your range and expertise. Create a website. Your website is your online business card. Include your portfolio, services, rates, and contact information. Consider a blog. A blog on your website can demonstrate your writing style and expertise. 3. Set your rates. Research the market. Look at what other writers with similar experience are charging. Choose your pricing structure. Do you want to charge per word, per hour, or per project? Be transparent with clients about what your rates include. 4. Legal considerations. Choose a business structure. Will you be a sole proprietor, an LLC, or something else? Consult with a legal professional to understand your options. Consider contracts. Having a written agreement with clients can prevent misunderstandings. It should outline the scope of work, payment terms, deadlines, etc. 5. Marketing yourself. Social media. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your services. Networking. Attend industry events, join writing groups, and make connections in the fields you want to write for. Cold pitching. Identify companies you'd like to work for and send them a well-crafted pitch. 6. Finding work. Freelance platforms. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can be good places to find clients when starting. Direct outreach. Don't be afraid to reach out to companies or individuals directly, offering your services. 7. Managing your business. Stay organized. Keep track of your clients, deadlines, and payments. Invest in tools. Tools like Grammarly or Scrivener can help in the writing process. Consider taxes. You'll be responsible for your taxes, so consider working with an accountant or using accounting software. 8. Provide excellent service. Communicate clearly. Keep clients in the loop and be responsive to their needs. Meet deadlines. Always deliver on time. And if something comes up, communicate it as soon as possible. Request feedback. Encourage clients to provide feedback and ask for testimonials for your website. 9. Continuously improve. Keep learning. Invest in your development through workshops, online courses, and reading industry-related content. Evaluate regularly. Periodically assess your business. What's working? What isn't? Make necessary adjustments. Starting a freelance writing business can be an exciting journey, allowing you to work on varied projects and often from anywhere in the world. Remember, building a successful freelance business takes time and persistence. So stay committed and keep refining your approach as you learn and grow. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share.